The ADECIA conferencing solution is designed to overcome challenges with implementation, configuration, and room acoustics. The latest addition to the ADECIA family, the RMTT Tabletop Array microphone, is as flexible as you. The RMTT Tabletop Array microphone that features dynamic voice tracking, noise reduction, and de-reverberation to bring crystal clear sound to your online meetings. When the ADECIA audio conferencing solution is connected to the RMTT Tabletop Array microphone, the solution offers different pickup modes for perfect flexibility. This means that you can have a private meeting even when your conference room is crowded with multiple audio sources. The Tabletop Array microphone can be extended with up to 8 RMTT microphone units in sequence to accommodate social distancing and larger meetings. The ADECIA RMTT. Optimal voice capture, flexible usage.